market-based pricing. How do you arrive at that price?
So it's really based on Car Gurus. As you see, all of our on our website, all of our cars are actually labeled as either good or great goods. Our Car Gurus are always priced top 10%. We're very aggressive. There's no more, market adjustment hacking prices just for the sake of profit.
Okay.
That's right the first time.
Not bad. Not bad. Ask me the same question.
How do you get to that price?
Jermaine, great question. Look, we use third-party software, okay? Software that matches every vehicle we have up in our inventory with every other like vehicle in a 300 or 400 mile radius. It's the same type of software that airlines, hotels, grocery stores, gasoline stations use to market or price their products or services. Now, Jermaine, we weren't the only website you checked out, correct?
No.
Okay, if our price hadn't been fairly attractive, we wouldn't even be having this conversation, would we?
Right.
Look, what we do with our prices is we pre-discount them. If we don't, our phones don't ring, inboxes don't fill up, nobody shows up. We served you up a price on a silver platter that was based on the market. We are always going to be at or below the market. Now I need your okay right down here so I can get your vehicle ready for delivery. That's how I handle a price. I call them all complaints.
I've said that same similar thing quite often.
Yep. And
Sometimes you think it's an objection. They're just asking.
it's a complaint. It's a complaint.
Sometimes, hey, it's just like seafood. It goes up and down. And yeah, we pay third-party vendors to give us the best price out within our market. And it's saying that is our value price. But the beautiful thing that is we're $2,000 under book.
Bingo.